Good morning kababayan. Nandito ako sa harapan ng bahay. Lalabas ako at i-video ko kung paano ang winter dito sa Canada. Tignan nyo sa labas ang mga snow. 2 days ago lang nag-snow ng malakas, mga kaibigan. Tignan nyo. Itong i-video ko kasi makikita nyo kung paano ang winter dito sa Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Nagpapainit lang ako ngayon ng truck para mainit. Kapapaandar ko lang. Yeah, because I'm taking a video. Wait, I put my seatbelt on. Okay, it's a minute. I'll put my seatbelt on. Painitin mo pa ng konti. Another 1 minute. I'll be fine. Yeah, should be okay. Just go straight. There's some cars there. Palabas kami ngayon sa bahay. Tignan nyo itong snow. 2 days ago lang. Ang daming snow ngayon. Palabas na kami. Tignan nyo mga snow, ang dami mga kaibigan. Ganito ang winter sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. Maraming snow. Tignan nyo mga bahay dito na punong-puno ng mga snow. Nandito kami sa area ng Transcona. Malapit kami rito sa Regent Casino. Where you going for what? Into the mall? Daming snow mga kababayan dito sa Manitoba.
Well, it's been 10 minutes since we played that one last. We had to play it again. I know we repeat this on. It's because we love them as much as you do. That's why we are Virgin Radio. I've spent so long trying to make right on my wrongs, but I miss being stoned, 'cause it would make this easy if I give myself an inch. Hell, I might take them all, and she can't take my calls, and I'm too drunk to dial. I love to sugarcoat this, deep on my roses, but you got me in my movies.
Tingnan nyo, maraming snow sa labas, punong-puno, taas. Nandito kami ngayon sa Pingue Street, malapit sa casino, sa Regent. daw dyan eh, gagawin daw school ito, sabi ni Balay. Nakapurpos na daw eh. This one here? Yeah. Itong lalaking mga apartment, bagong gawa lang yan 2 years ago, magkabilaan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Pinguis Street, mga apartment malapit sa casino at saka mga shopping mall. Pupunta kami ngayon sa shopping mall, mayroon kaming titignan doon. Maraming sasakyan, traffic na naman. Dahil madulas ang kalsada. Nay. Kapal ng snow. Traffic. Maraming traffic dito. Ang temperature dito ay minus 18 ngayon degrees Celsius. Minus 18 degrees Celsius. Saan? They're walking, yeah. Look at these people, they're walking. Too cold outside. Look at them. They're walking. Oh my God, it's too cold. Traffic ngayon dito ah. Marami. Ha?
Costco.
Oh yeah. Look at Costco. That's Costco right there. Too many people having groceries. Buying some stuff for Christmas and New Year, I guess. Didam pa.
Hmm?
Video ah. Holy
someone
crap,
is it?
get an accident there. Told them.
Oh, it's an old lady. Aw.
So traffic right there. Why did he went in there? I think it slides because it's too slippery. They're too fast. You go the other side. Oh yeah, it's not bad. So traffic, look at the traffic. There's two accidents. Huh?
Oh, accident.
Yeah, accident, that's why. Yeah, you can go. We're going to the back of Kildonan Mall. See, that's the shopping mall. Kildonan. We're looking for parking spot. Naghahanap kami ng parkingan, dami. Diya banda na diya igiti kalsada siguro tenda. Tiyo sila kakawan. We're here in a parking lot. Yeah, you go park in there, in that area there. There should be some in there. Yeah, he's waiting. There's a guy. Oh, so many cars parking here. Holy cow, look at that. So many cars. Park. Uh-huh. Hinihintay niya, just waiting for that guy. There. I think hindi siya makakapark doon. Maybe it's tight. He's waiting for it, but I don't think he's gonna back up because it's faster to park. He's gonna back up that way. It's better to park that way. Backing up. Backing up. No?
Step into Christmas. Speaking of him, he recently did an interview where he said that his two sons' happiness is his top priority. He says, and I quote, "My legacy that I want is that I'm a
Okay.
great husband and an even better
Okay.
father